To get the most out of your visit, you will need to embrace and appreciate the Viking village as a completely different lifestyle that most likely removes you from your comfort zone. The village attempts this through authentic recreation of Viking stories, myths, legends, and way of life. This is not just another reconstructed medieval village that is built to please masses of tourists. Here, there is no souvenir shop or happy hour bar, and there are no boxes or matches either. Before you can start cooking, you first have to build the fire the Viking way without modern gadgets. The two male students are trying to spark a flame by rubbing two pieces of flint against each other. Finally, a tiny spark that he is trying to blow into a flame. Whoa, this is quite a flame. Ha ha ha, these two folks don't quite yet have a flame. It's quite a group effort to get that cooking fire going. I am hungry.